guys, so we're back with another video. Today we are going to be reacting to EAS alarms around the world.
Around 9 a.m. on August.
Okay, this is literally the United States, and literally just kind of, makes me mad sometimes. And I'm scared too. Ooh. Dude, that actually makes a good beat. Wait. Wait. I look to be scared. Oh. Japan. The earthquake one, I'd probably be way scared. Down. That sounds so kawaii. Australia? Yeah, that was definitely very scary. That's such a big scary thing. Oh, heck no. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm running out of that freaking house, dude. I'm running to freaking California. If I heard that in Israel. Just kidding. Oh, it sounds like a movie starting. Oh, heck to the no. Yeah, I'm running out of the house too. That was freaking scary. Oh gosh, no. I'm only flying to freaking Mexico if I heard this. I still can Amber one, right? I'm gonna be too scared. Loki makes a good beat. Oh my gosh. What? Yeah, I'm falling out of the house too. 10 out of 10 scary, bro. Let's be honest, we're falling out of the house together.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Alerta sísmica.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Yeah, I'm flying out of the house too. No thanks. It sounds like SpongeBob swearing for the first time. I don't know, ears. There you go, chat. Hear me out. Wait, what?
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、
We would
1。
count down in Chinese. Yeah, I'm flying out of the house too. Flying out of the house, bro. Just sounds like a normal EAS. I want to be too scared. Dude, if I heard that 1 a.m., dude, I'm flying out of the house. But it just sounds like a normal EAS alarm. Oh, heck, kidding me. No. No. No thanks. Yeah, I'm getting up for no sleepover, bro. You gonna leave me at home. Saxophones get louder. Ooh. Loki just sounds annoying. Dude, chill. You gotta calm down. Yeah, you're never gonna see me again, dude.
Tsunami, evacuar a zona de seguridad. Atención, tsunami, evacuar, tsunami, evacuar a zona de seguridad.
Okay, this is not Like literally. Oh god. It sounds like we're taking off. That's it. subscribe to Hector's Productions. And yeah. Bye bye, guys. Peace.